Hello, Dr. Vu.
Hi, come on in.
This is a lovely home that you have.
Thank you. I'm just working on a presentation, so just give me a second while I save it.
Yeah, no worries. We're gonna do 21 questions today.
Oh,
What are you
perfect.
working on?
I'm working on a lecture I'm giving the residents next week.
What inspired you to pursue a career in dermatology?
Dermatology was something I accidentally fell into when I was in medical school. I really loved the complex cases, the medical aspect of it, the surgical, the cosmetic, and just the challenges it gives me every day. I really enjoy it.
How do you incorporate self-care into your daily routine?
Oh, that's challenging. After I put my son to sleep, I always dedicate at least half an hour to self-care. Did you want anything to drink?
Do you have water by chance?
I do. Would you like flat or sparkling?
Sparkling, please.
Okay.
How do you approach developing personalized skincare routines for your patients?
Oh, that's a really good question. I treat every person as an individual. I do a very thorough history. We do examination of their skin, and then I talk to them about their most pressing or concerning issues, and then from there, we develop a skincare routine for them.
Describe a memorable skincare transformation you've witnessed in your patients.
I think one of my favorite things is still acne. I had a patient who was 17 years old. They were suffering from acne fulminans, and as a result of that, there was a lot of bullying. And once we cleared their skin and managed their scarring, their self-confidence just went through the roof.
What's your ultimate skincare tip for combating signs of aging?
I would say sun protection. You know, there's lots of wrinkles, sunspots, all of those things could be avoided if you just wear sun protection.
Oh, I see that you have art and a lovely friend in the corner. A
Yes,
robot.
that robot is something my son and husband were building the other day.
That's cool. How do you educate the younger generation about the importance of skincare and sun protection?
I always tell people that your skin has actually great memory. Everything you do to your skin when you're younger is going to show up when you're a bit older. So for instance, if you don't take care of your skin and you don't wear sun protection, you're going to get freckles, wrinkles, all of that stuff.
What's your advice for fellow working moms struggling to prioritize self-care?
So for struggling moms, oh, I forgot something. I was just packing my clothes
Okay,
upstairs.
let's head upstairs.
So for struggling moms, it's something I'm still working on, but if you don't take care of yourself, no one else is.
Can you highlight some emerging skincare technologies or ingredients that excite you?
Yes, I'm still excited about that long-acting toxin and working with my patients.
Speaking of packing, what are your skincare essentials for travel?
Oh, my skincare essentials for travel. Well, I always have this little TSA bag with me to make sure I don't go over. But I'm very adamant about washing your makeup off before you go to sleep. Sun protection, as I mentioned to you about before. My retinoid. If my skin is really dry or irritated after the flight, I always use some hyaluronic acid. Or a very moisturizing emollient.
What's the one product you can't live without?
One product I can't live without. I always have to wash my face before I go to sleep, so it is a very good facial cleanser.
Describe your go-to makeup look for a day at the clinic and a night out with friends.
I am not a good makeup artist by any means, so I keep it very simple. I stick with nude tones, browns, pinks, things that I really can't mess up on. And then at nighttime, I just add more makeup and just play with my eyes a bit more.
I see you have a bag on your bed.
Yes.
What's in your bag?
Oh, you know, this is my everyday bag. I just have a little comb because you got to keep your hair good. A hand moisturizer. I have very dry hands. And then I have a little bit of Aquaphor ointment for my lips.
Describe your skincare philosophy in 3 words.
Keep it simple. I don't know how people have a skincare routine that's more than 5 steps.
If you could debunk one skincare myth, what would it be?
Well, when I was younger, I had a teacher who told us that students with olive skin or darker skin didn't need sun protection. And we know that's just not true. You know, anybody can get hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, and even skin cancer.
What's your advice for maintaining healthy skin during seasonal changes?
Like I mentioned before, you have to treat your skin according to the seasons, not the other way around. Listen to your skin. If your skin is dry, then moisturize. If your skin is oily, then kind of dial back on some of those things.
Are you able to share your favorite indulgent skincare procedure that you treat yourself to occasionally?
Yes, it's toxin injection. There's no cream out there like it. It's the best.
What areas in dermatology do you specialize in?
Oh, I love the science of skin. So for me, it's medical dermatology.
What areas would you like to learn more about?
Cosmeceuticals. It's a lot of science in there, and I'm excited to learn more about it.
Can you elaborate on cosmeceuticals and science?
Yeah, so those are the ingredients that go into your skincare. I find that really fascinating and something I'm looking more into.
There's a big trend with clinical skincare. What are your thoughts on that?
I think it's great. You know, a lot of times in the skincare world, things are just kind of willy-nilly. It's great to finally have some science-backed products, and I'm excited to see more of them.
We've reached 21 questions. If you could give one advice to someone who wants to pursue a career in dermatology, what would it be?
Be you and stay focused, and it doesn't matter what the other person's doing. At the end of the day, if you're true to yourself, you're going to make it.
Well, thank you, Dr. Vu.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. Safe travels.
Bye-bye.